Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to install any Gnome extensions very easily in Linux computer. So without one more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Ubuntu operating system on my respective computer. So if you're using a Fedora or any other Linux operating system, still the tricks will remain the same. So firstly, what you can do is, if you're using a Ubuntu operating system on your respective Linux computer, then just open the Ubuntu Software Center that comes preloaded with every Ubuntu operating system. So if you're using a Fedora also, I'm sure there is gonna have one software center. So after that, just search for one application name as Extension Manager. Just search this name. So you can see here on the first list, Extension Manager. Just click on it. So you can see this is the Extension Manager, and in the right side you can see install. You can just click on install and install it. And if you don't have a software center or app center or software app stores or software stores, whatever you can call it, then you can do one thing. On your computer keyboard, just press Ctrl-Alt-T to open the terminal, and in the terminal you can just type one command: sudo space apt space install space gnome dash shell dash extension dash manager. Just type this command: sudo apt install gnome dash shell dash extension dash manager, and after that just hit enter on your computer keyboard. Now put your computer password, hit enter. Now click Y, yes, and hit enter. Wait for a few seconds until the complete installation is done. So finally the application, that is the Extension Manager, has been installed successfully. So now you can close this terminal. Now you can click on this application, and you can see here one new application named as Extension Manager has been installed. So just click on it. Now you can see here Extension Manager, right? So now you can see just near to this install option one more option, browse. Just click on it, and now you can see here a search box. You can already see here some popular applications like user themes, anything. You can just click on it. Also, if you want to see a preview of this user theme, you can see your ratings, everything. You can even search here like dash to dock. So you can see here everything related to dash to dock, everything here. So some may not support, and those will be mentioned with unsupported. So in the latest Gnome 42, most older extensions may not support, so they are already mentioned unsupported, and those who are supported, you can see a install option. So you can just click on install to install this particular extensions just by using this Extension Manager. And if you click on this install, then you will see all the extensions that are being installed. You can either turn it off, or you can click on this settings icons in order to do some customizations or turn on the on and off some options related to the particular application. So this is the easiest way to install any Gnome extension in Linux computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool applications named as Extension Manager, which will let you install any Gnome extensions very easily in Linux computers, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.